Google Pixel 4 captured on real photos. Following the renderers of Pixel 4, real photos of the new flagship smartphone from the Google appeared on the network. Pictures show the design of device, confirming the rumors that appeared earlier. Welcome to the Science and Knowledge, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for our future videos. Google Pixel 4 live photos submitted by 9 to 5 Google portal feature Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL. The design of the backside of the device completely coincides what Google showed the other day. In the upper left corner, there is a square block with a double main camera, a flash and additional sensor on top. According to the available information, the third module is a spectral sensor, the purpose of which is not yet clear. It can also be noted that smartphone is in a protective case, strongly reminiscent of the fabric that Google produces for all the latest generations of Pixels. This further indicates that the photos is indeed the future Pixel 4. At the moment, one of the main mysteries regarding the Pixel 4 is design of the front sides. According to the version, it may have a hole in the screen for a dual front camera, while other sources claim that the smartphone will get a larger top frame which will have a speaker, front cameras, and other sensors for scanning faces. Other features, characteristics, price, and launch date of the smartphone are not yet officially confirmed. That's it for now. If you like this video, please tell us in the comment section. Also like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Take care. Bye bye.